those who want to apply for lost title deeds, the process actually takes 7 weeks. You'd have to go to deeds, conduct a deed search, a copy of the lost title deed, but they'll give you a copy for information only. That means you can only use it for the information on it, but you cannot use it as a valid title deed. Then you're going to extract some information, particularly the description of the property, where it's situated, plot number, size of the property, the plot, those details. And then you have to advertise. The advertisement has to be for 3 consecutive weeks. First week, second week, and third week. Don't skip between weeks. Don't do it randomly. Don't be sporadic. 3 consecutive weeks. 1, 2, 3. You advertise in a newspaper, in a local newspaper, for 2 weeks. First week and the second week. And then on the third week, you apply on the government gazette. Once you've applied, you've advertised your intention to apply for a lost title deed for a certified copy, you wait for another 3 weeks. So make sure when the advertisement comes out, get that newspaper, you keep it. Get the next newspaper, you keep it. Get the government gazette, keep those 3 originals. And then you wait for 3 weeks. That's for 21 days. That's a waiting period where people are allowed to object to you getting a copy of the title deed. Mostly because you may find that the original title deed is actually in the custody of the bank due to it being mortgaged as security for a loan. So you cannot then bypass the process by trying to get another copy of the title deed when you know exactly where your title deed is, which is at the bank where it's held as security. So that's the point of the 3 weeks waiting period, is to allow for objections. Anyone who has an objection to you obtaining a copy of the title deed must come forward and register their objections. Then after the 3 additional weeks, the waiting period, that makes it up to 6 weeks. The 7th week is for preparing the paperwork. That is assuming there are no objections. You compile, you see your conveyancer, you see your attorney, you compile, or even visit the deed registry office. They can also assist. You compile the paperwork for the application and attach certified copies of the published articles, or just include the original newspapers, the first, second, and the government gazette. You include them in your application, and the deed registry will issue a certified copy of the title deed that was lost. So it's a process that takes time. So if you have a title deed, make sure you keep it safely. Get a safety deposit box, or just keep them where fewer people can tamper with them, because it takes time.